Hi guys, just came inside from cutting a couple of branches outside which have been bothering for many months and I couldn't cut them, and now with this whole chainsaw it has been an absolute easy task. Yeah, here we have the thing. It's a beauty, very lightweight, stable, powerful, and it has quite some safety built in. Here in the back we have this double lock safety. It's extendable with just one click here pretty much. We have this auto oiler built in. It's even adjustable in different angles, also in the back. And during the whole cutting I felt very safe and comfortable. That's the main thing for me, and that's because of two things. You cannot start this thing from very close to the chainsaw itself. You have to really start it from the back where you cannot touch this area. There's no way you can touch this from the release button. And the second thing is that the chainsaw starts pretty slow. That's an awesome thing. I have already another chainsaw and this starts super fast, super scary. And this is much more controllable and gives me much more safety and confidence using this thing. So it was an absolute success, but let's start from the beginning. Let's see what's in the box and how we can assemble and then how to use it. And so here we have the large box. So let's open, see what's inside. Comes with a detailed instructions manual showing all the parts and how to assemble it. The most important thing is, of course, to add the battery only at the very end, so nothing can happen regarding the chain. So here we have all the small parts, then the battery, and of course the charger with the connector, so we can already connect and charge it, so it will be ready when we have assembled the main device. And what's also nice is that the battery itself has a charge indicator in 4 levels. And so here we have all the parts. Here's the main device, the controller. We can see this nice double release safety. We have to push here to the front and only then we can activate the chainsaw. So when you press either just here or here, nothing is going to happen. That's pretty cool. Here we have the hook for the shoulder strap which is included. We have even this quick release, and by pressing here and here we can adjust the angle. You can see, can turn it 45 degrees or press again, turn it 90 degrees. So we don't have to change the angle in the front. We can change it very safely here in the back. The main pole is made out of fiberglass. This is good. So this is corrosion resistant and can also help to protect from electric shock. If you hit something accidentally, then we have this really nice extra grip. And here we have this release, so we can extend the pole. So I'm pulling here. You can see you can really pull it out quite a lot, and we can secure it in any length just with a snap here or close it again. And here's how we connect the front part. We just push it here in, snaps in on both of the sides, but we have also this extra lock, same as with the extension, so also highly recommended to secure it fully. And here the front part with the chainsaw and the motor, and we can also adjust this. We have these buttons on both sides, so we can adjust it and secure it either in 15 degrees or in 30 degrees angle. And we get also the tools. And so here we have the cap for the auto oiler. We can fill up to 0.9 deciliter of oil. And to add the chain, we remove this cover. And then, of course, super important to mount the chain of the chainsaw the right way. So it goes like that. Here underneath we have the drive links which belong into this board. So we put it on top and it has to face this way because the chain will go around like that. So this is the perfect position here. So we align it here on top and of course also underneath and put it around the drive wheel. And again, whenever you do something here close to the motor or the chain, make sure that the battery is not attached to this device. And we have also to align this bolt here with this notch. If you pull here in the middle, the gap should be around 3 millimeters. So this is still a little bit too much. So I tighten this screw a little bit more. So let's check again. Yeah, that's not bad, I think. Let's try to move it around. Yeah, I think that's not bad. It's tight, but still leaves a little bit of a gap, so I think it's not bad like that. And of course, after that, we align and close this cover again. And so we are pretty much ready. By the way, it comes also with this safety protection, so we can fully cover it from both of the sides. And so I couldn't wait to go outside and cut a couple of smaller, medium and even larger branches, and it worked absolutely awesome. Actually much better than expected, because I have already a small chainsaw and it always scares me to use it, but this thing feels much more safe because of the larger distance and also because of the slower starting speed of the chainsaw. Here even one of the thicker branches very closely attached to a large tree which has been bothering me for a long time, couldn't cut it here absolutely easy. And then some palm tree leaves which are super hard. I can tell you these things are much harder than normal wood and usually very difficult to cut, but definitely no problem with this pole saw. And also this thicker leaf here, super hard palm tree wood, there's no way you can cut this without motorized pole chainsaw. And so overall definitely super positive experience from the assembly to using, from safety to charging the battery, everything, flexibility. So I love this thing, comes with everything, so I can highly recommend it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.